Guy Fawkes.
Hey Guy Fawkes, please can you show me how to draw a princess, please?
A princess? What a fun thing to draw. Okay, let's start with 2 dots for her eyes. Then, let's draw a J for her nose. And now, 2 arcs above her eyes for her eyebrows. She needs a lovely smile, which is a nice big U shape under her nose. And already we've got a beautiful face. Next, we'll draw her tiara, a slightly curved line above her eyes, and then lots of up-down V shapes, just like this, from left to right. Her tiara needs some jewels, so we're going to draw some circles on top of the points of the V's. Then, you can draw some diamond shapes, or any shape you'd like, to give your princess a jewel tiara. Now we'll draw her ears. Let's draw a C shape on this side, and then a backward C shape on the other side. Then let's draw her hair. My princess is going to have wavy hair, so I'll start with 2 lines coming down around her face. Let's draw a line down from the left ear towards the middle of her face, adding a little curve for her neck. Then the same on the other side. She needs a collar, so I'll draw a U shape at the bottom of her neck, then a U shape coming out to the left, and another U shape to the right. Then I'll fill in between with as many U shapes as I can fit. Next, her shoulders. A short line to the left and a short line to the right. Now for the dress. Let's give her some big puffy sleeves. Draw a big curve coming up and around towards her body like this. Then let's do the same on the other side. My princess is holding a flower, so I'm going to go back to the middle and draw her hands. For her first hand, I'm drawing 5 loops joined together with a line. Now, her other hand. Because it's behind the first hand, we won't see all of it. Let's draw 1 loop at the top, then a line down. Next, let's draw her flower. I'm going to give her a tulip, so I'll start with a U shape, then a W shape. Then, a line connecting it to her hands, and 2 little leaves. You can draw as many flowers as you'd like, and whichever kind you want. Next, a sausage shape coming out of each hand. Those are her arms. Then let's draw some cuffs on her sleeves, and a little line on each sleeve to show where the sleeves meet her body. Now that we've finished her body, we can finish her hair. We'll go back up to her head and draw some wavy lines coming down like this. I'll move my drawing up so we can finish her dress. Her dress is a giant bell shape, coming out and down on both sides. We'll give her shoes too, so I'll move my drawing up a little bit more. Whoops, went a bit far there. For her shoes, let's draw 2 little U shapes for her slippers. Hopefully she won't lose either of these at the ball. If you'd like, you can add some decorations to her dress. I'm going to add some flowers, but feel free to add spots or stripes or any other pattern you'd like. And there's our princess. Happy drawing!